go to tools and then keyword planner, add in the search bar whatever service you want to advertise for them there, and add the location in the location section. What I've done is I've added dentist as an example service and New York as a example location. Click search and I found a whole bunch of different terms. I've selected all of them and I pressed add keywords to a plan. And what this does is it adds it to a forecast. You can access the forecast by going up to this tab here next to keyword idea, click on forecast. What forecast is going to allow you to do is that's going to allow you to forecast how many conversions you can expect to get within a specific budget based on the keywords you've selected. This is an estimate, but I've used this with clients and I found that this is actually pretty compelling in terms of the accuracy. This is the best estimate you'll get because it's coming directly from Google. You can actually go here and you can toggle and see how many conversions you'll get based on a specific budget. What I've done is I've just reduced the budget to about $50 per day, and you can see you'll get 157 conversions with 1,500 monthly budget if it's $50 per day. It gives you an estimated conversion rate as about 6.82%, but you can change the conversion rate to whatever you think is more realistic if you have experience in the area. It's going to show you conversions there, and then your average cost per acquisition, how much you'll pay to actually get a conversion will be about $9.48, and you can expect to get 2,000 clicks. You can see all the data here, etc. For $1,500, this is exactly what you can do. And what this can actually do is that you can even show this to a client when you're closing a client and saying, look, with this budget, this is what Google is estimating we can actually get you in terms of leads. This can be a really compelling sales tool as well.